How to find your wallet address on MEXC app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open MEXC on your device. Go ahead and tap on wallets on the bottom right hand side, then tap on deposit. After you do so, you can just go ahead and tap on P2P, or you can just go ahead and tap on chain deposit. Go ahead and select the network. So you can just select the network. After you click on it, you can see the address will be available. So let me tease this process to you once again. First of all, open the MEXC app, tap on wallets on the bottom right hand side, and then tap on deposits. You can then tap on chain deposit and select the crypto or the trending options over here. Once you do that, you can select any of these. Once you tap on it, you can see the option of share address. Go ahead and tap on share address. You can download the MS or copy the link and share it with your people who you want to trade it as well. So this is how easy it is to find the wallet address on MEXC app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.